There are many ways you can find job actually. There are many ways you can find. Be searching for jobs on Google. Companies are looking for people that will work, but because you are not really informed, you'll be searching for job on Google now. But what I want you to do for me is just to like the video or you subscribe. Anyone you want to do. It's not easy making this video every day, then editing it. So we'll be searching for a job on Google. So what you need to search is remote job, remote writing job, writing job. So don't worry about whether you know how to do the job. I have a tool that will help you write this. Since it's a writing job, there is a tool that will help you write. Okay. So what you scroll down, once you scroll down, you can see these are companies that are looking for writers. These are ghostwriter. You can see ghostwriter writing job in Nigeria. So you can apply for some of these jobs. Let me go to more to see. There are 45 more jobs. So you can either pick your category. Even if you want them to send it to your mail, you want the jobs to be sent to your mail, you just click on this icon over here. So if it's technical writing, just pick the category that you want. Then you can select what type of job, the employer, the date posted. You can search for jobs there. This was what I was looking for. A freelance writer for flexible, consistent, ongoing work. So they needed somebody urgently. So I'm going to teach you how you can apply and how you can write your CV and how you can design it and how to write a follow-up emails. We are going to be looking at this aspect of it 2 days ago. So this is very, very early. This is an early job. So you can apply for the, but first of all, you have to read the description of the job, what they want, before you can, so that you know how to write your CV. Do you understand? Okay, are you all getting as an SEO agent? Okay, they are talking about themselves. Then I just need the requirements. Our writers are okay. You can just read through what they want. Do you understand? So if you are ready to apply, you click on here. But before you apply, you need to have your CV at hand. You need to have your CV, your cover letter, because they ask for these things. Even if you need your portfolio, you can use that as well. Even though they don't ask for your portfolio, rather, you can decide to put your portfolio. Make sure you just have all these things. Do you get? So if you want to design your CV, there is an app that will also help you design the CV. But before we design the CV, why don't we write the CV first before we can design? So we are going to be using chatgpt. This is where chatgpt comes in writing your CV. Do you understand? So I already dropped a video. I left a video on how you can write a CV, or I can just give you a brief of how you are going to do it in ChatGPT. Just wait for it to load. So I told it to help me write a CV for a freelance content writer. So it's already writing. Let me show you the beginning of it so you see the name, emails, those part. I'm the one that will fill those part for myself. The website, the summary. You can see as a freelancer content writer with how many years I have a strong background in creating. This is very, very nice. The experience, the help you writers work with clients in a range of industry, including you put your industry there. At least it has helped you content writing for website, blog, and social media. So then you put your degree, you put your it help you write your the skill you need. This is you can anything you want it to write, you can tell it to write a cover letter. So this is what I told it to help me write. Write a cover letter for a freelance content writer. So let's wait for it. The employer, I am a writer. You can see it's writing everything for you. So once it has written it for you, yours is just to work on some of the things that you need. Do you get? Then you come to Canva. Okay, let me use this to you come to okay, this is where the job is. Come to Canva. So Canva is what you use to design the CV. You can't just use a CV nowadays. Everything has been standardized. So you can't just write a CV on a document and expect that they are going to hire you. No, it means that you're not showing much interest in that job. So designing your CV actually goes a long way. So that's why you have to use Canva to design your CV. Do you get? So for those that need Canva Pro, there is a link where I provide Canva Pro for you, a lifetime Canva Pro that you can use for a lifetime. So let me search for okay template as a template, not as a project. So you click on search CV. So I provided Canva Pro. There is a link that you can get Canva Pro for life. It's a lifetime access. You get Canva Pro. So there are many templates that will be provided for you here. So these are templates. So, but make sure that you pick template that will not show your face. Do you get? Don't pick template that will show your face because it will cause bias. So it's actually good to show your face, but please don't show your face when you are submitting a CV. Avoid showing your face. It's actually caused bias. They might not even have looked at your experience. They are already judging you through the way you look or your appearance or your color. So that won't be very very good. You get as just especially when you're applying for an international job. So because I'm doing this with my phone and I slant my phone, unless I drag this, that's when, so you can see this is very tiny, and because I slant my phone, RDB my phone is in the landscape, is going to show very well. So you just click on it, click on the text, then you can double tap it. So once you double tap it, you'll be able to type. Do you get? So if you double tap this, oh guys, my phone has tried enough. So I guess I can't do this on portrait mode on my phone. Okay, I can actually do this, but this is not advisable. I need to make my phone landscape. So guys, you can watch, I will drop a video on how you can edit Canva and everything. It's not something hard, it's very very simple. If you have a laptop, you can do it on your laptop. It's not hard. If you need Canva Pro, go to the description section, you get it there. So if you want more video, there is a video I made that explains more. I spent more on the Canva what's it called, chatgpt. So I will drop the video as well. Make sure you watch the video. Then if you like the content, you can subscribe. Then also make sure you like. You can either like or subscribe. Pick one. Just like or you subscribe. So thank you. I'll see you another